Hello beautiful people, so as promised, this is a sewing video. It's a very short one, so I've gone ahead to interface the fashion fabric. It's a Kampala fabric with wadding and hairstay. So for the breast pad, I interfaced 2 pieces of hairstay on the wadding, because I want it to be really firm. I don't want my client to put on a bra. So next we're gonna pin the pieces together and mark out 1/2 inch, round it. Don't say you're a professional, you can't rule, you don't use pin. No, go ahead, it will make your sewing easy. So place it on your machine and sew. While you're trying to sew this one on top, the one beneath, you're stretching it, making sure they are equal, right? And just keep stretching. You're stretching the one on top, you're stretching the one beneath. I could not get a perfect view, my selfie stick kept falling down, but I really hope you'd understand what I'm trying to say. Just sew across the line that you have drawn, and that is it. You would say to go ahead and notch it, but before you notch, I will advise you turn it to the front and check if it's not really circled. If your sewn line is not circled, you can go ahead and lose it and sew it again. So after that, we'll take it to the pressing table to iron the seam lines. So it can be more relaxed. Give it a good press. Ironing does a lot of good to your fabrics, to your seam lines. So let's learn to iron and press and press. So after doing that, we are going to cover up the stitches with just a 1-inch strip of hairstay, just to give it a bit of firmness so that it can just stay in place. So it can just stay in place. So we keep doing that. So meanwhile, I mentioned that my client will not be putting on a bra. So what I do is I minus 1 inch from the main measurement when shaping. In my previous video, I mentioned that her bust was 45.5. So when I want to shape, I would measure 44.5. So when she wears it, she's going to wear it without a bra. So I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.